Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by fixing the essentials that change everything fast. Check your lighting and move toward a natural window or set a soft 2700 5000K LED so colors read true. Next, groom quickly. Tidy hair, trim stray hairs, hydrate skin to reduce shine and smooth texture. Choose a solid color outfit that fits well and add one focal accessory to draw the eye. Once done, step back and scan your reflection to confirm balance before moving to detailed adjustments. Now refine what people actually notice: shape, posture, and color. Use subtle bronzer and highlight along cheekbones and jaw to enhance natural structure. Follow your bone structure and blend thoroughly. Make sure your posture is intentional: chin down about 5 degrees, shoulders relaxed, spine tall, then set the camera at eye level for flattering angles. Finally, harmonize colors. Match clothing and makeup to your skin undertone so contrast looks intentional. Once these middle steps are solid, you'll see coherence and polish. Finish by locking in what you built. Set skin with a light matte powder to control shine, tame flyaways with a small spray, and adjust small wardrobe details like untucked hems. If something looks off, use quick fixes. Add a reflector or diffuse the flash to soften shadows, drink water and walk briefly to reduce temporary bloating. If redness appears, neutralize with a green-correcting touch. Make sure to reevaluate in your final shot and adjust a single variable at a time.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.